Already 7 months into their 5-year plan, the Namibian Basketball Federation successfully hosted an international friendly basketball tournament where Zimbabwe and Namibia took on each other and was used as preparation for the national under-18 teams that will participate at the Region 5 Games qualifiers later this year.
The biggest challenges that we are facing right now is, of course, the COVID-19 pandemic, with contact sports, as you know, not being allowed and actually derailing most of the plans that we have set forth to achieve it, which is basically grassroots development, 3x3 development, and most of the developments that we have planned. Apart from that, of course, financial resources will always be big challenges when it comes to sports, but we have devised certain strategies to go about in making sure that we are going to make sure that when things get back to normal, our coaches, our refs are up to par by training that. But it has been a smooth transition of power from one exco to another, and we have actually just in the past 2-3 weeks we have actually rolled out our 5-year plan openly to everyone, where we had an online let's say launch of our 5-year plan that we did, and I think it was well received by the basketball stakeholders in Namibia at large. So for our 5-year plan, we have basically come up with a 5-year strategic plan that has 4 pillars, pardon me. Those 4 pillars are basically executive governance, where we want to ensure that the whole country is being run effectively when it comes to basketball. So we want to make sure that we have offices in all 14 regions. This is a 5-year and most ambitious goal that we've set up ourselves, which is basically effective governance when it comes to the running of the basketball as a sports discipline. Our second pillar, of course, is the national competitions and national championships, where we want to actually introduce a national league and national leagues when it comes to our competition throughout all the age groups, all the way to the senior category, to make sure that we actually tap into to our talent base, which is basically nationwide, and actually expose the basketball to all governors and all our regional affiliates. Our fourth pillar is basically the sustainability pillar, which means that we want to adopt certain strategies or revenue strategies to make sure that the federation is independent and sustainable. This includes finding an office for the academy, employing people on a full-time basis, and actually having them full-time employees. So it's 4 pillars that we are actually going to run for the next 5 years.
The Namibian Basketball Federation, under its third pillar of its 5-year plan, set out the objectives to appoint national team coaches and announce national teams that will be able to participate and represent the country at international competitions.
We have vacancies running now in the basketball fraternity, where we are actually looking to appoint coaches from under 12 throughout to the senior national team. The criteria is basically we are looking at coaches with very good experience that have been part of the development when it comes to the junior national team, and have done a lot of work when it comes to development of youngsters into a system that will help us achieve our LATD, which is our long-term athlete development plan. This is a pathway that was created for us in order for us to achieve our goals of one day actually representing the country at the Olympics. So far we have received about 20 applications in the junior category and 1 for the senior national team. As we speak, we opened the vacancies, or let's say they were open since Friday, and they are opening till the 22nd of this month, and we are actually urging the basketball community or anyone that's interested in coaching the national basketball team to apply and see what happens. So the criteria is basically simple. When it comes to the junior national team, we are looking at certain key components of our basketball coach, and apart from that, sports for development being a key of what we are looking at, experience in terms of being actively coaching right now. For the senior national teams, we are looking to actually shortlist 5 candidates to have the structure in place, because we do have the pool of talent that has been developed over the years, because all our previous administrations were focused on grassroots development, but we have a pool of talent that needs to actually be taken out there to participate in the Afro Championship, which is the African Basketball World Championship, and participate for the Region 5 here, or participate into the Olympics. And that's something we are planning to actively do in the next 5 years of our time. Indicators will mean that the national team is selected, we've applied for funding, and we've applied to participate in this tournament. But in order to do that, we need to have a pathway, which is the long-term athlete development pathway. Hence why we are starting at under 12, which is the core basic of where we are starting, because our school league structures already cater for that, and making sure that all these players are being developed with one pathway in mind, or one strategy that will lead to the senior national team. We're also asking for international experience. That means if you've coached international experience, whether domestically or foreign, and we don't have a lot of people that has done that. So it's also a bit tricky. So we are looking to at least have a potential of 5. If not, we will re-advertise and maybe open it up more. But that's all always up to the panel. Of course, it's an independent panel that will be selecting these coaches that is made up of international experts and local experts, and not necessarily me as the SG. But yes, that's what you're looking for.
The new Namibian Basketball Federation administration was elected on the 10th of December 2020 and commenced duties in January 2021.